Alright, today we have a System 7 from Black Knight. Serial number is 479154. We have repaired the driver board. Problem mainly with the solenoid. We're going to power up now. Good power on self-test. Numerical display went dark. And we have a track mode display. And the display is in a track mode for the scores. Alright, so let's start the diagnostics. First thing is the display test. So we're gonna start that now, and that runs. Next thing is the sound interface test, which is J8 here. That's going to toggle one at a time. Oh, let's try it again. So when that goes 0, this will go low, and then the next one will go low one at a time. So all these outputs toggle as the sound test is cycled. So that output works, and then the next thing is the lamp matrix. So we can see the lamp matrix is good, all 8 rows and columns. By the way, that's the flipper relay contact showing it's closed. The next thing is the solenoid test. 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so forth. 16, 17, 18, all right, and then it cycles. The next thing is the switch test. Let's do that now. Let's turn on the lights. So we have switch 1, switch 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the first column. Now we're going to go down the other columns. Column 2, switch 9. Column 3, switch 17. Column 4, 25. Column 5, 33. Column 6, 41. Column 7, not used. And column 8 also not used on Black Knight, but I've checked them independently. I think that's it. Yep, that's the adjustments menu. So this is a System 7 for Black Knight.